how to show or hide text message notification on lock screen and more on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Message App. After click on Message App, click on this profile icon and scroll down to and click on Message Settings. After click on Message Settings, so scroll down and click on app notification. After click on notifications, so if you want to show and hide text message on the lock screen, if you want to hide, so click on lock screen and other, you will see text message notification is hide on lock screen and more. If you want to show text message notification, lock screen and more, so click on lock screen and more options. You will see text message notification is on show. So you will show and hide text message notification from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show and hide text message notification on lock screen and more on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.